In this video, I will show you step-by-step process on how to fade out vocal in FL Studio 20. Quick one, if you are interested in audio mentorship and you want to increase your knowledge in knowing more about music production, beat making, recording, mixing and mastering, step-by-step practical process, irrespective of anywhere you are in the world, do well to contact me using a link in the description of this video below. So this is exactly how to fade that vocal in FL Studio 20. So if you are using or you are using the FL Studio 20, not the recent FL Studio 21, there is a different process on how to fade out vocal using the automation process. So this is how to do it practically. So when you open your DAW, so this is my vocal sample. Da 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 da. Beautiful. So once you have your vocal sample in like this, so what you're going to do next is to come right here on top of this vocal icon. You can see the small vocal icon right here. So what you need to do is to right click on your mouse. So after you right click, you hover down right to this place. Then you come down right here. You come to this automation to automate. Then under automate, you see the panning, then you see volume. So what you're going to do is to click on the volume. So once you click on the volume, it's going to bring in the automation um, page on top of. So you can also remove it, right? So we just put it on top, just the way it came. Then you're going to come right here. So when you come here, you see there is a button right here. So you're going to right click what part of this line. You right click and you're going to create what? A nugget. You can see it's actually showing a hand at which you can pull, right? So then you're going to come right here. Once it shows that hand grip, then you pull down a little, right? So let us test it. So you notice how it fade out. So, and if you don't want it to just fade out like that and you want to give it a curve or a shape, all you simply do is to come right here. So you grab in that button right there to give it a slight fade. So if it's not actually depending how you want it, you can as well make some necessary adjustments. You can pull in more. Okay, you can also pull out. So you pull it in, then you bring it down. So depending how you actually want the curve or the fade out to be. So this is basically on how you actually do it. So if you also want to do the fade in, all you simply do is to come right here. So you create a nugget, a button. Then after creating this nugget, you come right here, you pull down. This is the fade in. So you can give it a curve. You can pull this curve in. can also create a nugget right here. So you must also ensure that this particular one is down. So anytime you want to increase the fade, you basically create a nugget, right? Want to take it backward. Open source. You can also delete if you want to delete. So after creating this automation, you can as well delete or create any nugget of your choice. Just create a button. So this can also be deleted depending the shape that you want. You can actually right click and delete. Right click and delete. Right? So depending how you want it to be. So you can as well just basically experiment into more of this. Beautiful. So this is basically on how to fade out vocal in FL Studio 20 specifically. So I hope this you find this tutorial very helpful. So once again, if you are interested in audio mentorship and you like to know more and increase your knowledge in beat making, music production in general, recording, mixing and mastering, step-by-step process, irrespective of anywhere you are in the world. So do well to reach out to me using the link in the description below.